Guys, Sewwiggedout here, and I am so proud of the look that I'm wearing right now. This is the Nicole thin part wig that I got from Innovative Wigs and Weaves, and just that title, Innovative, lets us know that things are going to be different from any other wigs that we're wearing. And the biggest, the main, most important and significant difference is that there's no lace, there's no silk, there's no headband, there's none of those extra things that we have to try to learn to manipulate in order to wear the wig. So to get this on, you'll see right here, I have my natural part, but it looks like the hair is coming out of my scalp, and I'll show you how I was able to get that. Also, this is the second video I've made with this wig, and the first time I just washed it and let it air dry, and this is the look that I got here. But you'll notice that these curls are a lot more definitive, and I think I can say that. They're a lot more definitive or definite, and that's because I did do a twist out on this unit, and I'm learning with you guys, but when I tell you the experience is worth it, just watch and I'll show you exactly how I got this look. I only used 4 products. One was water. You definitely have to have water if you're gonna do a twist out. I used a Detangling Spray, and then I used foam. And then finally, when I undid my twist out, I had some oil on my hands just to make sure that it didn't catch too much at the ends. But that's it. I'm expecting this wig to look just like this for at least a week or 2 before I have to do a retwist. I am not a product junkie. I don't like a lot of products in my hair. So if I can find a way to make this twist out look good with as minimal products as possible, hey, I'm gonna tell you how to get it done. So just watch, and of course, as usual, if you have questions, just email me or drop them below, and I got you. To get started, I took the wig and I used T-pins to attach it to a wig head. This wig head actually has plastic over it, and it's not like growing up and your grandma didn't want you to sit on her furniture. It's just that because I'm wetting the canvas head, I wanted to protect it. After I applied my water, I took detangling spray and then some hair foam, and I just 2-strand twisted it. And I mean the old school 2-strand twist. I'm talking kindergarten picture, Snoop Dogg photo, 2-strand twist. The most important part of making sure your twist out is epic is allowing it to completely dry. So I'm going to sit this over, and in the meantime, I'm going to prep my own hair and get it ready to attach. In my previous video, I attached the thin part wig by pulling my hair back into a ponytail. And since I thought it would be easier on my mornings if I just went ahead and put some cornrows in my hair. That way I can literally manipulate the top, throw it on, and go. If you decide to go the cornrow route, just keep in mind that they don't have to be completely tidy and immaculate. Your parts don't have to be perfection. They're not for display. They're for comfort and ease. And so I'm putting probably 8 cornrows going from the top of my head to the nape of my neck. And then in the back, I'm going to take needle and thread and just stitch them. Now let's take focus to the top of the head where you're going to attach the wig. The first time I didn't leave very much hair out at all to tease, but this time I gave myself a bigger cushion. I just figured if I had more hair to attach the clips to, it could only make it more comfortable, and it was. Okay, my friends, as we conclude the video, I did want you to see the results up close and personal. I did untwist maybe 3 or 4 times, and just mentally know that the more you untwist, the bigger the hair is gonna be. And I'm a Texas girl, so I want it huge. Like, I'm looking for that energy that says, excuse me, ma'am, your hair is blocking the view, to which I say, no, honey, my hair is the view, okay? So here is what my part looks like up close. I didn't mention this before, but I actually didn't have to do too much re-teasing at the root from the look that I did on the first video. So that tweezing That tweezing stays for quite some time. And so you don't have to continually manipulate every day. But yeah, these are my results. If you have any questions, drop them down below, and bye.